2026 GMC Terrain cabin air filter replacement. It's going to be located behind your glove box. Your first step is going to be to disconnect the glove box damper here, just by pulling on it like that. Now if we look here, there are some glove box stoppers that stop the glove box from opening all the way down. So we're going to grab the glove box, pull it towards the center, and then kind of push it down like this on both sides until you can get the glove box to come down. It would be much easier if you had two hands and you could do it at the same time, but we can manage to do it with one hand. Okay, you can see these glove box stoppers here. Cabin air filter is located in this box right here. You can see that it's labeled cabin air filter. To open it up, there's going to be a release right here. We're going to need to squeeze these two tabs and pull towards you, okay? It's a little tricky. So I got that off there. It's just really close quarters to try to film it and show you that you're gonna push, and then I kind of pulled up right here, okay? That put in my hand in the way of the camera, so I took a minute. It's not really that hard. This left side here uses a slot. Okay, so remember that we put this back together. Left side's going in first. Here's your cabin air filter. You notice that the filter has arrows on it. That's for airflow direction. So this car's pretty new, so it does not need a cabin air filter at all. If you need one, there'll be a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get a premium filter there. So we'll go with the left side first and put the door back. So yeah, the airflow direction is going to be down on the filter. There's always going to be down, okay? Just to let you know, all the aftermarket filters are labeled normally. So the glove box will come off its hinges. We'll just put it right back on here like this, and then we just close the glove box. Alright, it goes right back. Get the damper, snap it back on, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, like, leave me a comment if you could, and again, there'll be links in the description box and in the comment box for the replacement filter.